In this video, we will demonstrate how to assemble the full plate attachment for the Sous-Chef Toddler Tower. Assembly should take less than 10 minutes. No tools are required. You should have received a large outer plate, two small sides, and an inner plate. Begin by attaching the sides to the large outer plate. This is done by turning the side piece and inserting the middle tab into the hole of the outer plate. Then lock the side into place by pushing the thin end into its notch and flexing the wide end into its notch. Be sure when you're flexing the piece that you avoid flexing the thin end as it might break. Repeat for the other side. Attach the inner plate to one side at a time by inserting the center tab on the side piece through the hole in the inner plate, then locking the two other tabs. You will need to flex out the wide end of the side piece to lock in all of the tabs. Attach the other side by tilting the side piece out, pushing the thin end into its place, and flexing the wide end into its place. To insert the full plate into a tower, start with the dowel removed. Spread the sides slightly and insert the top tabs into the grooves underneath where the dowel goes. The bottom of the plate should fit snugly above the ladder. Replace the dowel to lock the tower in place. If the dowel is not securely locked in place, the plate may come loose while in use, so be sure not to forget to replace it. Congratulations, you've now assembled and installed your full plate.